Hello YouTubers, welcome back. So in my today's tutorial I will discuss like how and why the YouTube monetization is not enabled, or how it works, how the monetization of a YouTube channel works. Okay, because uh, I have heard that if the views reaches to more than 10,000, the channel is monetized, and a YouTuber can start earning. Okay, so then that's why I have a separate channel, uh, and I was hoping that it would be approved after getting these many views. Okay, so I have this channel already. I have a separate demo channel, so which has already reached 13,000 views. Okay, so it's more than 10,000. So I was checking on this, so I was like expecting that it would be approved automatically after 10,000 views, but it is not. So if I go to my channel and if I see, so here monetization is not enabled. Okay, so I checked several helps, and I found that you have to wait for a few weeks. So it's been already 2 to 3 weeks or 4 weeks, more than that. Okay, so then some people suggested me to go to help and feedback. So I did all those things. So today I'll show you, and I can let you know how you can enable your monetization if you're facing the same problem. So of course you can go through all those things that are there. You can also go to help and feedback, and you can obviously go for need more help, and here get creator resources. So select your issues here. So if it is monetization, you can select here. So here you have this option called help channel and forum. So if you go to forum, there will be I went to this forum, and also there are so many questions already raised on the same thing, so you won't get much help here because they will say you to wait. Okay, they will be reviewed automatically, and then help channel also will give you a formal help which will not help you. But here there was one more option, to create to send a mail to the creator support, YouTube support, but that is disabled here, so that it also didn't work. So what next you can do is, now now what I have seen that the uh, the the policy for reviewing of new channels for YouTube has changed, and now it is like that. You must have, when I went to monetization, then I came to know that now to have the YouTube channel monetized, you must have 1000 subscribers. Okay, you must have 1000 subscribers, and you must have 4000 hours of watch in the past 12 months. So as you can see, this is the reason they have given. So it is still 490 hours only in the last 12 hours. I'm sorry, in the last 12 months, and there are only 95 subscribers, so it must be 1000. So this is the new policy that YouTube has published. So if you don't know this, you must know this, and you have to work on it, and then only your channel will be considered for review. Okay, so this is what you should know, and that's what I worked upon, and then I got my other channel reviewed, okay, successfully. So please work on it, and then I hope it will be helpful for you, because many people, I have seen many people are searching for this option, like how this can be enabled, monetization can be enabled. So this is a new policy given by YouTube which you must be aware of. So I'm sure this will be helpful. Thanks for watching, guys. Thanks.